Hi everyone, my name is Dorchin and I'm the Vice President of CTC, the group of people in charge of the 183 clubs at Tech. You heard that right. At Tech, we have 183 clubs, including STEM clubs, service clubs, visual and performing art clubs, cultural clubs, activism clubs, academic clubs, and of course, general hobby clubs. With all of the different things you can do in all of these different clubs, you'll never have to worry about being bored again.
Hello everyone, my name's Theodora Dragic and I am a senior in the chemistry major at Tech as well as the proud vice president of Tech's Science Olympiad team. So Science Olympiad is an academic team that teaches you about all areas of science from biology to engineering by doing things such as building functioning instruments to learning how to identify fossils, and it is just one of countless STEM clubs at Tech. So at our clubs, everyone is welcome to join and learn more about areas of science or technology that pervade all aspects of our lives through hands-on activities and lessons. So another great aspect of our clubs is the fact that there are so many of them to choose from that you can learn about practically any area of STEM that you'd like. So you can join Envirothon to learn more about environmental science or Researchers of Medicine to learn more about the medical field. So joining these clubs will give you not only a strong set of skills in STEM, but also a strong sense of community at Tech.
Hi everyone, my name is Amina and I'm an executive for Hope Outreach and the Community Service Committee here at NHS. So service clubs at Tech are a great way for you to make friends, get to know the school, and get to know New York City, as we often volunteer at different districts trying to make meaningful contributions to the underprivileged communities such as the homeless and the elderly. It's also a great way for you to fulfill your club credit and hour requirements in order to graduate with a Tech diploma. Some examples of these clubs include Key Club, Outreach, Hope, Interact, and ACT, and they vary from around 100 members to 900 members, so you can pick and choose whichever fits your needs and preferences more. We are an integral part of Tech as we do try to make the communities around us better, and we hope that you will enjoy the rest of your open house and consider joining our service clubs if you are ever at Tech.
Hi guys, here at Tech you can find many fun and engaging activities and clubs for creatives. Currently there are a variety of performing and visual art clubs at Tech, ranging from dancing to singing and photography to embroidery. In joining any club at Tech, you get to foster amazing relationships and network within a huge student body at Tech. There are many performing art clubs at Tech that allow you to perform and showcase your talents, which allow you to grow your confidence. Performing art clubs such as Tech Unique, Cover, and Breakdance all allow you to showcase your talents within various times throughout the school year. And of course, performing arts are not for everyone, so that's why there are also visual art clubs, such as photography, film, and horizons, where you also have the chance to have your work showcased in various outlets throughout the year.
Hi everyone, my name is Intellect and I'm a director on the National Honor Society Board of Directors, as well as the secretary of the AIAS Architecture Club, and I'm here today to talk to you about the academic clubs we have at Brooklyn Tech. And to begin, the main goals of the academic clubs are to highlight the incredible achievements of the students here at Brooklyn Tech, as well as foster their interests in a variety of fields. And a few examples of the academic clubs we have aside from AIAS Architecture Club and National Honor Society are the Science Honor Society, the Spanish Honor Society, the Math Honor Society, the National Society of Black Engineers, the Society of Women Engineers, and the American Society of Civil Engineers Club.
Hi everyone, I'm Eliana Gibbs, the co-junior chair of the Club Team Council for the National Honor Society. I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about clubs, specifically hobby clubs. Hobby clubs are created and run by students and can be about whatever the students want them to be about. Because of this, these clubs cover all sorts of interests. Some examples of these clubs are the Marvel Club, the Bob Ross Club, and the Magic Club. Most of these clubs meet once a week after school and are a great way to make new friends.
Hi, my name is Queen Carrasco and I'm a junior in the software engineering major as well as a proud exec member of Brooklyn Tech's Black Students Union, which is a culture club here within the walls of Tech. Culture clubs are spaces which promote awareness and appreciation of the diverse cultures and people within our school community. They're especially important as they serve as a center of unity and a place where identity is validated. Clubs such as the Spirit and Asian Student Union, among others, provide the framework for students to become aware of their cultures as well as participating in it. Furthermore, it's such a great place to join, especially at the beginning of your school year where you're likely to meet people who share the same culture as you.
Hi, my name is Justin Apice, and I am a senior and also the event coordinator for Brooklyn Tech Help the Homeless. Activism is very important in our society as we use it to inform, to bring about awareness about a specific topic that each of us in Brooklyn Tech want to pursue. Just like my club, we intend to promote ideas of homelessness and how to prevent that. And many other clubs do the same, such as No Place for Hate, the Child Foundation, and Operation Smile. These are just some examples of all the activism clubs in Brooklyn Tech.
Hi everyone, my name is Madeline and I'm a senior in the aerospace major. So along with all of the amazing tech opportunities that Brooklyn Tech has, we are definitely not lacking when it comes to performing arts. The Performing Arts Department has two major events every year, and that's the Fall Play and the Spring Musical. The Fall Play typically has auditions in September, and rehearsals run until usually mid-November, which is when the performances are. The Fall Play typically happens in a smaller group of performers, so it's definitely really easy to get super close with your castmates. We also have the Spring Musical, which typically runs from December or January to March. Now, this is a much bigger production. There's always a bigger cast, typically. And what's great about the musical is you can, as long as you audition, you're in. So everyone is invited to be a part of the ensemble, no matter what your prior experience maybe, and it's definitely a really awesome way to make friends. I've been in 3 musicals and 1 play at my time at Tech, and all of my closest friends are from those groups, and that's definitely, to me, been the most memorable part of my experience at Tech.
Before I came to Brooklyn Tech, I wasn't really into sports. I came in looking for a sport to play with the team, and I found myself taking a liking to fencing. I joined the fencing team, and after practicing for so long with my team, it became a family to me. Together, we've been the PSAL City Champions for the last 3 consecutive years.
But Brooklyn Tech's fencing team is not the only one at the school that is at the top of the leaderboards. Out of the 43 teams at Tech, there are 20 boys, 20 girls, and 3 co-ed varsity and junior varsity sports teams, most of them being widely known as among the best in the city.
Tech also has multiple award-winning step teams. The Lady Dragons, our girls team, and Organized Chaos, our boys team, are the current city champion step teams. We also have Tech Unique, our premier urban dance team that competes in competitions across New York.
And the culture at Tech reflects these amazing performances. For many of our teams, Tech students flock to the benches and cheer them on as they play against other schools. After the games, you can hear students excitedly telling their peers about what they witnessed. The school's faculty is also heavily involved in sports, which becomes especially apparent during the student-faculty volleyball games. These games never fail to create a friendly rivalry between the students and their teachers, as well as drawing in many enthusiastic spectators.
Brooklyn Tech's massive athletics program gets a lot of funding from the school, and even sports clubs get funding. The school backs our sports and is a big reason why Brooklyn Tech has one of the most dominant and elite athletics programs in New York. For more information on Brooklyn Tech's athletics programs, please visit the link shown, tinyurl.com/BTHS athletics.